Okay guys, we are back. And guess which vehicle we're back with? Yeah, you guessed it. Look. Hood won't latch. And the cable release handle broke. The cable broke. We'll be right back. Okay, as always guys, light is your friend doing this stuff. Throw as much light in here as it'll help you out a lot. So we're getting right into it. We're gonna take the grill off. There are 6 of these fasteners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You can see I've got those other ones popped. Okay, you want to get under this first one. That's going to allow the bottom one to collapse, because when you push that down in there, it expands it. So there we go. Okay, the fasteners are out. All we should need to do here is tip back, and then you can see it kind of hooks in down there. There we go. Easy as pie. Okay, now we're right here. Okay, what I think was causing the hood to not latch was there's slack in here, so it's causing the lock to not be fully retracted or in the right position, I guess. So keep moving forward here. Okay, here's the new hood release. I think it was about $28-30 bucks with shipping. Okay, we're going to go ahead and take the latch off. These are 13mm nuts. Okay, let me show you what it looks like on the new one here. This little end right here is going to slip into a slot. Is right there. So we're gonna push that down and kind of finagle that out of the slot. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is gonna release this part of the cable from the bracket. So see this? These pinch, and then this will back out of the hole in that bracket. This will allow us a little more flexibility to get this loose from its slot. So it's kind of hard to film in here, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm pinching these dog ears. Okay, I didn't need to remove the spring. You kind of got to go like this. Now when we go back in with a new one, which I guess I'll do, but you can kind of go down the side. Instead, I was trying to come out the bottom. You're going to kind of go down the side to get it, like hook it in that slot there. Okay. Okay, now we got to pull this through the firewall from inside. Okay, now not one of my favorite things to do, working under the dash. But hopefully this won't be too bad if we take our time and do it right. I'm going to give myself as much room as possible. Put the steering wheel up. Okay, these panels need to come off here. Then this is going to have 3 or 4 bolts on it, I think, to the frame or whatever. So I believe. Okay, this should just pop off. See how it snaps down into these holes here. And this should just pop off too. Looks like the weather seal's kind of... wants to come. As always, sometimes you need a little persuasion. It's not going to break anything. Okay, I guess the same type of these tabs snap into these. Always handy to have a mirror too to see what you're dealing with here. I'm busting my neck going around there. Looks like there's three bolts. So, and you guys can probably see what broke there, but I can't. Okay, those are 10mm bolts. Okay. Okay, and here's the new one. You can see it's the exact replica of it. This is what seals it up going through the firewall. And oh, by the way, I bought this not rockauto.com this time. I couldn't find it on Rock Auto, which I can find everything on there. But I went to 1aauto.com, and this was $29 plus shipping, and I think they might even have free shipping. So yeah, 1aauto.com. I got this exact same original equipment. Okay, so what we're going to do is as we pull it back into the driver's compartment there through the firewall, the string is going to follow it. And you know, those old fish tapes you guys might be familiar with that electricians use in like walls of houses. Well, this is kind of a fish tape here. Hopefully it won't get snagged. This isn't the strongest twine, but yeah, that'll go into the driver's compartment, and then we should be able to help guide it back, by pulling on it and guiding it with this string, pull it back to right where it is, the new one. Anyway, so cross your fingers this works well. Okay, it feels like the grommet pulled in here. I might take this panel off. Let's see. This is where you could really use another set of hands, another person to help out. 3 people if you're filming. Okay, here it is, you guys. This one right here. You can see there are little clips that we'll want to unclip, and I'm going to do that without the camera so I can get it done. Okay, I'm going to try and I'm going to feed this part out so it's less coming through the whole engine. You know what I mean? So you can see it's got the string going in. Oh, there's a clip there. There's a clip there. No wonder. There we go. All right. So far I've seen 3 clips. It is about 96 degrees today. This is September 17th. So it is cooling down in Phoenix. But yeah, I'm sweating. That's all right. Feels good to sweat. Let's see where we're at here, guys and gals. All right. Okay, now we're going to go back in Find the firewall. How are we looking? Awesome. Okay. Hate to say it, but I think this is going to be the easy part. It'll be feeding that new one back, coming back the other way. Okay. The grommet is still in the firewall. I might have to pop this panel down and grab onto it with something. Let's see if I can use my fingers again here. You know what? The panel's going to need to come down because it'll be easier putting the new one back through too. So what do we got here? What? Phillips screws. Boy, to you guys that run the stereos and the speakers and all the wires through the firewall like this all the time, I admire you. I do not like working underneath the dash. Okay, just yep, there we go. Now what do we see? Oh, there's the grommet. Bet you this will work, maybe. I never sound too sure on my bets, do I? Bet you this will work, maybe. That is the right one. Oh no, wrong one. Why don't you guys tell me? Get out. Yeah, there we go. Yes. Hey, there's our string. Okay, I thought I'd show you guys before I throw this away what broke here. But you know, this lays like this in here. So this broke right here. I think that's pretty common. Okay. Now the fun part. All right, you guys holler and tell me how it's going. It's fall over like the guy at Happy Hour yesterday. So far so good. Pull some more slack up right here. Probably pull that up to the grommet down there and it'll stop there. Okay, that stopped. Look what I got. Okay, I'm going to put a little silicone lubricant on that grommet just so it slips in there easier.
Boom. I felt it seat. And it sure looks like it. Awesome. Sometimes those can be a little bit of a pain. Alrighty. Okay, before I button up this side, I'm going to go finish up the front, make sure we don't have any issues up there.
Highly recommend using just, some kind of fish tape. Whether it's twine or string or fishing wire or... Okay, if you remember how this came off, let's see if we can get that around and hook it underneath there. Hey, yes. Okay, cool. Cool. Now this is gonna go snap through the hole. Looky there. All right. Okay, you guys, in order to keep this video somewhat short, I'm going to skip ahead, not film this so I can get it done. And then I'll, if I run into an issue, I'll let you know. Okay, no tools in here. Now for the test. Alright guys, that was awesome. I was a little bit worried about that with all the snaking with, around with the with that hood release cable, but that went really well. That was smooth as. You guys can do this stuff. You just got to set your mind to it, be patient, and if you have to laugh a little bit between cussing, but hey, appreciate you guys, love you guys. Yeah. Send this, share this video with your WK, your 06, 05, 010 Grand Cherokee buddies. They can do this stuff, or girls. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I'm trying to we're close to getting this channel monetized. I need better camera equipment because it keeps falling over. I can't zoom. Yeah, I'm gonna put it right back into this channel and better equipment and better videos. So subscribe, like, share it with somebody you know. Love you guys, and we'll catch you next time.